Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Imessage, waiting for activation error on iPhone. That's further ado. Let's get started. So what we're going to visit is the Settings app right here. And the first thing that we are going to check is if you have logged into your Apple ID. So if you have your name right here, and if you click on this, and you have confirmed that you have actually logged into your Apple ID, that means that you have successfully done that step. But if the error still persists, the next thing that you are going to check is if you are connected to a Wi-Fi connection that is stable. So scroll down and long press on your control center that says Wi-Fi right here and make sure that you have connected to a certain Wi-Fi network. So if it says any error within the Wi-Fi page right here, that means that your internet connection might be unstable and might be causing that specific error. If you have ensured that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or internet connection, and if the problem is still there, the next thing that you are going to check is to scroll down a bit and click on FaceTime right here. Make sure that your Apple ID and your phone is connected to FaceTime. Also, just click on Messages right here and also check if your Apple ID and your contact number that is used in that phone is connected to the Imessage. And if the error is still there, the last resort that you can do is to do a factory reset. So do that. Just click on General right here, scroll down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. So there are buttons at the bottom part of the screen that says Reset, Erase all content and settings, so you can click on Reset and reset all settings, or you can also erase all content. However, I do not recommend this because you might have trouble on your settings or take time again to set everything up. But if you really want to fix that, this is going to be your last resort. That is how you can basically fix Imessage waiting for activation error on iPhone. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.